In this age of AI, you wouldn't think saying please or thank you to a machine would cost much.
Right. Seems absurd.
But get this, apparently being polite to ChatGPT is costing OpenAI millions. Tens of millions, actually.
Yeah, it really turns your assumptions upside down, doesn't it? These simple courtesies having a real financial weight.
Absolutely. So that's what we're diving into today, really digging into this surprising cost of, digital manners with ChatGPT.
And why it's happening.
Exactly. Our mission here is to figure out why these little words add up so much, look at the reasons we do it, the human side, and think about what it all means for how we interact with AI going forward.
And we've got insights from OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, plus some user survey stuff.
That's right. So we get the view from the top and also what actual users are thinking and doing.
Okay. Should be interesting. That mix of the insider view and the user data is key, I think.
Definitely. It's not just tech. It's like human behavior meeting the machine.
Right.
Okay, so let's unpack the main thing first. Sam Altman comes out and says, essentially, hey, folks, all those pleases and thank yous you type, they're costing us tens of millions of dollars annually.
Wow. It's kind of mind-boggling. How does that even work? Is it just the extra typing?
Well, it's about the processing, actually.
Oh, okay.
The tokens.
Exactly. These language models, they break everything down into tokens, right? Sort of like word fragments or units.
The basic building blocks for the AI.
And please, thank you. Even short words like that. They're extra tokens.
More tokens mean more work for the AI.
Right. More processing power needed, which means more computation.
Which ultimately means more energy consumption, more server load.
Precisely. And while, one please seems tiny.
Scale it up.
Yeah, scale it up across millions, maybe hundreds of millions of users interacting constantly.
Every day.
And suddenly those few extra tokens per polite interaction multiply like crazy.
It becomes a significant operational cost, adding to the already huge expense of running these massive AI models. It really shows how even small digital habits can have this big collective impact. Financially and maybe even environmentally with the energy use.
Absolutely. So the tech side makes sense, but the why? Why are we doing it? We know it's a machine.
Good question. The survey data gives some clues. A big part seems to be just habit.
Like ingrained politeness.
Yeah, exactly. We're just so used to saying please and thank you to anything that interacts with us almost.
It's that automatic social conditioning kicking in.
Yeah.
Even when we consciously know there's no person on the other side needing politeness.
Right. It just spills over from human to human interaction.
All sense.
What else? Well, interestingly, some people are doing it very deliberately.